Hey, John here again. Going to show you how to do a couple single value KPIs. Pretty simple. I want to put these on the company dashboard. So right now I'm at my personal dashboard. If I wanted to put them here, I could just come up and hit the plus. But it's company dashboard, so I'm going to go to settings, dashboards, home. So I want it to be the main dashboard. I'll hit the edit. And these are the two that I'm going to go over. Appointments and new contracts. This week and this week. Pretty simple. I'm going to go ahead and hit the edit button here, this gear icon for appointments. I'll show here the title, whatever you want to type in. The chart type is a single value, so we're not going to put it on a like bar chart or line graph or pie chart. It's just going to be a single value that we display. And then what's the starting point? So what are we looking at here? We're looking at things related to an appointment, a phone call, a property. This is really about the appointments. So we can forget about having to look up all the info for the property and then kind of dig down into the appointment. Let's just go straight to the appointment. So starting point is appointment. Always have to have a data source. So here we've got one that's count. I didn't worry about naming it because I wasn't that worried about it. But we can go ahead and put a name here. Total. Type is count. You can do sum, mid, max, etc. I selected an icon. It's an appointment, so I thought, hey, let's just go ahead and put a little calendar there, green. I didn't put any other filters on it. I don't need to. Save. General conditions. Nope, not really any conditions other than I want it to be things that happen this week or that are scheduled for this week. I should say, so the start time of the appointment is this week. Save. Boom. So now that I put total, we have total here instead of it being blank. That was pretty simple. Let's up it a little bit and let's do 2 and 1. So we've got loan mod and purchase here. I'm going to come in and edit. Same type of thing, new contracts. This one, a little bit different. Wanted to focus on the property. So property here. Our data sources, what I did, named it loan mod, type account, put an icon, color. If you don't want to select one, you can. It'll just do a default and it'll be gray. But then the filter conditions, you can do this and this and this and this, or this or this or something else. Usually it's an and, so it's my and is selected. What I did here was I said I want the dispo strategy name to be equal to this dispo strategy that this company has. Okay. So we've got all of those, but then anything else that's fallen under, it may be a one that they're going to wholesale, maybe one that they're going to flip, or they may keep it as a rental. They just want to differentiate these two basically into two groups. So this time we came in, purchase, gave it different info. I said disposition strategy name is not in the list of loan modification. I could have said doesn't contain or something like that, but we end up in the same place. So if you wanted to kind of group it out a little bit more than just this one or the rest, you could do things like in the list or not in the list. We've got value loan modification, save. We have the purchase contract date. That's our date we're sorting by or filtering by this week. So contract on the, or the date on the contract, when it was signed, when it was executed, is this week. Save. Here we go. So it's pretty easy to create those.